Hi everyone, and welcome back to the course with everything you need to know to invest and start with cryptocurrencies. And in today's video, it's going to be very exciting because now we're going to look at how do you actually invest, what do you invest in, and what do you trade with as well. It's going to be very exciting, so I hope you are ready and buckle up, and we're going to get started. So what we're going to discuss first is here on the flip chart is what do you invest in basically, and what do you trade in? And how much money should you allocate? Make sure you go up, right? And look at the allocation video, look at the risk management video, because we have gone through it there once. So in this video, we'll be looking at what do you choose to invest in, right? Invest in. And more so, what do you look to trade with, right? So we have those two. So trade. It's exciting, isn't it? So if you start with investing, what I would say, you can invest in any cryptos basically, but you remember coin market cap we looked at, one of the tools, and just invest in the biggest one. The bigger they are, invest more. So number one would obviously be Bitcoin. Maybe the most amount of money would go in there. And then maybe, number 1000, which might be banana coin. Well, first and foremost, I would not invest in it, but you kind of get the deal here. So the lower down the list, invest less money. That's the rule. But you think to yourself, this is the question, can it go to zero? Can Bitcoin go to zero? It's been around for 12 years, everyone is using it. Probably not, right? So I would be very happy to keep investing in Bitcoin. But maybe not in banana coin that just came out. Just put a little bit of money in that. But when you're trading, what I would do with trading, because trading is a very interesting topic. And remember, how much do we always risk when we trade? That's correct, it's 1%. Only 1%. It's very important. So if you look at this here, let's say, and what we're going to look at today, actually, this is very important. We're going to start practicing a breakout strategy, okay? Breakout. So what happens here is, let's say the stock moves like this. It moves sideways, la 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 la. And then you have something like this happening. And then what we do is we actually place an order on that breakout. So you have a resistance and a support. We have gone through this earlier in the course, so make sure you go back and have a look at it. But we place an order to enter when it goes up. We have an order below. So you see this line here. Your order will be 1% above that line, stop loss 1% below. And then we're looking to make 3 times as much. So when it then moves up, boom, takes you in. It has momentum, and hopefully then it goes up. And you only risk 1%, by the way. Remember, if you have 10,000, you only risk 100. That's 1%. And then here, right, you're looking to make 3%. So you're looking to make 300 if you're risking 100. Just to recap, because remember, practice is the mother of all skill. So that's what we're going to do. And by the way, it could break out to the downside, and then we enter to the downside instead. Okay, so I hope that makes sense for you. It's a very, very powerful strategy, and it works fantastic. So I'm going to show you a few examples where you could have made this happen. Okay, so I hope you're excited for that. So let's move over to the computer here, and I'm going to show you quickly on how that's done. So if we go to XRP, that's one crypto that has really broken out. So if you go back here, and you remember I showed you how to use this horizontal line, and then you put that over here. Look at this. This is quite cool, isn't it? So what you would have done, we saw here, okay, we have this resistance. It tried to break above here, failed, and then went down, tried to break above here, and it failed. And now we're just going to go back in time a little bit here. So then what you do is that on that breakout line, and here in the menu in the middle approximately, you press this small arrow out, and you have a long position and short position. You choose the long position. And then you press where you want to put it, and that could be, according to calculation, 1% above. And just look at this here. This is quite cool. So you enter this 1% above, and then you have your stop loss 1% below. So you take whatever the price of this line here, you see that the price is 0.781. And what I would do then is then to double click, and I enter the entry would be 1% above that. So you can use your calculator for that. And then your stop level, your stop loss would be 1% below that line. So this will require a little bit of practice here, everyone. So make sure you do practice this. And then you just aim to make 3 times as much as you're risking. So if you are risking 1%, right, you're risking 100 maybe. If you have an account with 10,000, you're looking to make 300. And you can do this all day, right? That's 3% on your whole portfolio. So let's look here. This is just one trade, by the way. So boom, it would take you in, move sideways for a bit, well, up a little bit more, sideways, and then up a little bit more, boom. So approximately 5 days, you would now have made over 3%, okay? So I'm going to show you how you really place those orders as well, but that's how you can start practicing. And start practicing this on TradingView as well, because that will be your demo account when you do cryptos. Because with cryptos, you will then be able to use Binance, okay? Binance is the second biggest one in order to trade properly. And you could use Coinbase as well, but then I would use the Pro version. And if you would like to have support, if you would like to have some hand-holding, make sure you press the link, and we're more than happy to help you to get started. So I hope you enjoyed this video with a quick overview here, how you could trade and also what you would invest in. And in the next video, we're actually going to show you a strategy that you can use starting right now. So I'm really happy to show you that strategy. So make sure you stay tuned, press the subscribe button so you get these updates sent to you so you don't miss out and miss any videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next.